weather with Shelbi Schauble.
Hello everyone, happy Monday. Well, we have made it to the start of this week. Definitely cold and breezy though. You're going to want to bundle up. You might be able to take that off later though as we get into our afternoon. It'll definitely be nice out there today. Still breezy though, can't escape those winds, but we'll see that sunshine make its way to us. Already building in, you can see on our windows and more tower cam. Look, it's shaking, but it's still a nice view outside. We're seeing some of that horizon start to build in. Temperatures in the 30s and 20s are around 36 degrees in Joplin, 30 in Stockton, 28 in Springfield. So some of those temperatures definitely cold. As I said, feeling though even colder. Teens for some of us earlier this morning. Now we're seeing those slightly pick up, and then 20s for our wind chill. So that is what it's feeling like out there with all that southerly flow that's coming in. So your kids are definitely going to want a butt jacket this morning. For us, we are going to see at the bus stop temperatures that are not near freezing, slightly below that for this morning. But temperatures will be increasing today. Winds as well. Gusts will be about 20 to 25 miles an hour for us, also bringing us some elevated fire weather concerns, not only today, but tomorrow as well. Basically, avoid burning stuff outside today, or if you are, just be extra careful because with how dry it is outside and with those winds building in, perfect conditions to start some flames outside. Surface high pressure circulating off to our south, very dry for us today. That drier air mass is surrounding us for today. Then also as we get into our evening, we're going to start to see some troughing shift through. Now following this trough, we're going to see some of that shortwave energy come in, but also a front is going to make its way to us, cold front that is. Now that is also going to bring in the chance to see a couple light sprinkles as we get into tomorrow evening. A little bit of rain possibly in the evening, but if we see anything, it'll be very light, more so some sprinkle activity for us. But temperatures right now still above that seasonal average. We are seeing some 20s and not 20s this morning, some 50s and 60s for our highs for today, around 62 tomorrow and around 56 for our high, and then we're going to get into the 40s as we carry off past the midweek mark. That cold front, stronger boundary for us, is definitely going to drop those temperatures into the 40s for us, making it feel closer to our seasonal average. But looking at this trend over the next 6 to 10 days, we will definitely be feeling like winter across the 4 states. Very dry though for this time of year. We could use a little bit more or a lot more of that rain as we are still dealing with drought across the 4 states. Moderate levels of drought for most of us. Highs for today around 56 degrees in Joplin, 60 in Grove, and then also 55 for us in Monette. So mild day, and that sunshine should make it feel a little bit warmer, but those winds will definitely kind of ease up a bit with those going into this evening, or it'll definitely make it feel a little bit cooler tonight. Then as we get into tonight, lows will be in the 30s, around 39 in Joplin, 38 in Springfield, and then some 40s, 41 for us in Branson. Now here's a look at your KSN forecast from the local weather authority. We are going to see a high today of around 56 for us, breezy and mild this afternoon. We'll see some gusts get close to about 25 miles an hour, so it'll be breezy but mild, and that sunshine will be kind of coming in. So we'll see the sun and the winds kind of be fighting today to see who's going to win out there, but I'm guessing it's going to be the winds. I feel like when the winds are coming in, I don't know, they just kind of take over, and kind of, for me at least, I don't notice the sun as much when it's so breezy outside. Maybe that's just me, you know?